Right.
I know Chris loves waterfall. You don't mind, I guess. It's good to have somebody with you to go on the water.
Right. Randy, I think Randy would go on the slide. Randy likes the slide.
Well, he would come down there. As they come down now, because he starts working tomorrow, right?
Who?
Randy.
Yeah, he works tomorrow.
It's the only day he had off, and then what is next week? The week after, he goes up there.
Yeah, on Monday or Tuesday, he's heading up to Salisbury.
Yeah. And we're going all summer. Unless he wants to come down on a weekend.
Yeah.
So he probably got a little. That's what happened last year. Randy and I come down. We didn't sit down with us last year. Did you win the first time?
Yeah.
I thought I did.
I better aim.
What do you mean you had to remind me? I didn't get up to Mark. I just right on the bull right and stay right there.
I beat you. I was pushing harder.
You had a faster one.
I had a better water. I had faster water.
I have both of them down.
It's my lucky day. It's my birthday. Next week we use that.
So I was going to say, we might have had the figure. 693. I'll take $18.
Well, don't forget, 18 plus the fourth guy that came on us, right?
Yeah, well, I ain't worried about him.
Yeah,
I'll go down there and break his arm so he don't win. Put his name on him.
Chris should pay all of us back.
Flying Eagles, for your safety, please keep your arms and legs inside the bird at all times. Sit up straight and hold on tight and enjoy your ride.
He is. He's talking to Maria about it.
He's 21 October. You can go ahead and get a student loan, which will be loaded. David couldn't get that when he signed up, but he's still living with him.
He's talking about going to a tech school.
Start out in year 4, but you're working with that pretty easy. Okay, they go by 30. But once you get in, it's really usually when you go to step, but then you get an open, so they can apply for it. You know somebody, and they feel good, that's good. Having a great started it up. They didn't have
Welcome back. Please remain seated until the bird has come to a full and complete stop in its stop suite. Exit towards the entrance and enjoy the rest of your day here at King's Dominion. Ride on.